Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the Dubilico Bako channel. Today, we have an amazing surprise for you, an exclusive video featuring the 10 most fascinating curiosities about animals. Do you want to know how a lion's roar can be heard from a distance of 8 kilometers? Or how ants can carry objects 50 times heavier than themselves? Then don't miss this video. And if you enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to keep up with more interesting content about the animal kingdom. Let's get started. The octopus is one of the most intelligent animals in the world. It has the ability to camouflage itself by changing the color and texture of its skin, as well as impressive problem-solving skills. The octopus is truly a remarkable creature. In addition to its incredible camouflaging ability, it is also capable of opening jars, mimicking other marine creatures, and even using improvised tools. Studies show that the octopus has a highly developed brain with over 500 million neurons, compared to the human brain's 100 billion neurons. Its intelligence is comparable to that of many mammals, and some scientists argue that they may even possess a form of consciousness. It is fascinating to think that such an enigmatic and complex creature lives in the oceans of our planet. The roar of the lion is an impressive sound that echoes through the African savanna. In addition to being an iconic characteristic of the kings of the jungle, this sound serves various purposes such as communication among members of the same species, territory marking, and attracting mates for mating. The sound of this roar is so powerful that it can be heard at a distance of up to 8 kilometers. That is equivalent to hearing a person shout from an entire city block away. The potency of this roar is more than most people can imagine, and it is a testament to the strength and power of lions. Imagine being in an open plain, hearing a roar that echoes for miles and miles around you. It is such a strong and intense sound that it can capture the attention of anyone, even kilometers away. This curiosity about lions is just one of the many fascinating ones that exist in the animal world. Each species has its own characteristics and peculiarities, which makes the study of wildlife so interesting and engaging. Whales can communicate with each other at a distance of up to 1,600 kilometers. This is possible thanks to the low-frequency sounds they emit, which can travel long distances in the ocean. Whales are true communication experts. Their low-frequency sounds, known as songs, are some of the most complex and intriguing in the animal world. With these sounds, whales can communicate with each other and even send messages to other whales thousands of kilometers away. What's most fascinating is that these sounds are transmitted through the ocean, which acts as a huge natural amplifier. Whales are capable of using these sounds to find food, locate mates for mating, and even communicate about potential threats. The ability of whales to communicate over long distances is an incredible example of how nature can be fascinating and complex. It reminds us that, despite all human progress, there is still much to be discovered about the natural world around us. Despite being small, ants are capable of lifting objects much heavier than themselves. Some species can carry up to 50 times their own weight. Ants are true champions of strength and endurance. They have an exoskeleton that protects them and provides a strong yet lightweight structure. Additionally, their diminutive size allows them to have a much higher strength-to-weight ratio compared to humans, for example. Thanks to this combination of physical characteristics, ants are capable of accomplishing incredible feats. They are known for building enormous underground anthills, transporting food, and carrying materials for nest construction. Some species, such as leafcutter ants, can carry leaves and pieces of vegetation that are several times larger than themselves. The ability of ants to lift heavy objects is so impressive that it has inspired the creation of robots capable of mimicking their behavior. These robots can be used in various applications, such as in construction, space exploration, and the automotive industry. Zebras are fascinating animals, and one of the most incredible things about them is that each one has a unique pattern of stripes. It's as if each zebra has its own work of art on its skin. And the most amazing thing of all is that these stripes are so unique that scientists can use them to identify specific individuals. It's as if each zebra has a fingerprint on its skin. This ability to identify individuals is especially important for behavior and conservation studies, helping researchers track the movement and well-being of zebra populations. But these stripes are not just for show, they serve a very important function in the life of a zebra. The stripes help confuse predators, making it harder for them to distinguish a specific individual in a group. Additionally, it is believed that the stripes help zebras stay cool in the heat of the African sun through a cooling effect. So, the next time you spot a zebra, remember that it is unique, with its own art on its skin. Some snakes are capable of digesting whole prey items that are much larger than themselves. This is possible thanks to their ability to dislocate their jaws and stomach to accommodate the food. When we think of a snake swallowing a whole prey item, it may seem like a strange and scary scene. But for some snake species, this is just a normal day of feeding. They can swallow prey that is much larger than themselves, such as rats, rabbits, and even other reptiles. The ability of snakes to swallow such large prey is incredible, and it is made possible by their ability to dislocate their jaws and expand their throat and stomach. They can stretch their mouth up to 4 times the size of their head to swallow the entire prey. After swallowing the prey, the snake undergoes a process of digestion that can take several days or even weeks, depending on the size of the prey. During this period, its stomach can expand up to 30 times its normal size to accommodate the prey. This ability of snakes is truly astonishing and shows how nature is full of fascinating animals with incredible abilities. The chameleon is another animal known for its camouflage ability. But did you know that they are also capable of moving their eyes independently from each other, allowing them to have a 360-degree vision? This means they can look at 2 different things at the same time without needing to move their heads. They have a 360-degree vision, which is very useful when it comes to hunting insects or avoiding becoming prey to larger animals. Additionally, chameleons' eyes have a unique structure that allows them to see incredibly vibrant colors. It's as if they are wearing augmented reality glasses. It's no wonder these reptiles are so fascinating and capture the attention of many nature enthusiasts. Furthermore, they have an extremely fast and sticky tongue that can extend more than twice the length of their body to catch insects in fractions of a second. Another interesting fact about chameleons is that they are capable of changing the color of their skin to communicate with other chameleons, regulate their body temperature, or simply camouflage themselves in the environment. They do this through special pigment cells in their skin, which are controlled by the chameleon's nervous system. The color change can also be influenced by emotional factors, such as stress or excitement. Despite their exotic appearance, chameleons are fascinating and complex animals with a range of abilities and adaptations that make them true wonders of nature. Some spiders are capable of producing silk that is stronger than steel. Additionally, a spider's web is composed of different types of silk, each with a specific function. Spiders are true engineers of nature, capable of creating masterpieces with their webs. The silk they produce is so strong that it can support several times the spider's own body weight. Moreover, the web is composed of different types of silk that are used for different purposes, such as providing structural support, capturing prey, and even protecting the spider's eggs. This complexity of the web is astonishing and demonstrates how spiders are fascinating and resourceful creatures. These different silks can be used to construct different parts of the web, such as the main structure, anchor lines, and prey-catching areas. Additionally, some spiders can alter the composition of the silk according to the task they are performing, making it stronger or more flexible. This makes spider silk an incredibly versatile and useful material for the spiders themselves and for humans, who are already studying how to use this silk in advanced technological applications, such as the production of high-strength and biocompatible materials. Dolphins are highly intelligent creatures. They not only have a complex language of sounds but also have unique names for themselves. This means that they not only recognize each other but also identify themselves individually. They are very social animals, and like humans, they have close friends and form strong bonds. It is fascinating to think about how these animals can have such deep and meaningful relationships. And last but not least, elephants have an incredible memory. They are capable of remembering other elephants and places they have visited even after years. It's no wonder that elephants are known to have one of the best memories in the animal kingdom. They can remember details of specific locations, such as the location of water holes during times of drought, or even remember elephants they encountered years ago. Additionally, elephants have an amazing ability to learn and recognize sounds, such as the voices of their family members and friends. This strengthens communication among them and helps to reinforce social bonds within elephant groups. They are also known to remember situations that have evoked intense emotions, such as the death of a group member. This ability to remember traumatic events can help elephants avoid similar situations in the future, making them even more adaptable and intelligent. We have reached the end of our top 10 curiosities about animals. We hope you have had fun and learned a lot about these incredible beings that share the planet with us. But if you are curious and want to know even more about the animal world, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. And remember, each animal has its own characteristics and peculiarities, and it's fascinating to learn more about them. See you next time.